Good morning, folks. 10:50 a.m. on 16th day, 5th month, 17th here. I got a bit of an anomaly going on here on Mimic. Someone's asked, did I see what was going on Cuba? Did you see this feed switch over just then? And I'm running this on a loop, so I want you to see this. Now, this is going backwards, but it changes time. I want you to look at the timestamp on this. I'm going to go forward. You know, here it is, the 17th year, 5th month, 15th day. Move along, move along. Start seeing a beam appearing out in the Gulf of Mexico. Move it on, move it on, move it on. Then suddenly, boom, it changes. And if you look here at the date, it's the 16th year, 3rd month, 31st day. So they've spliced in something else into the feed. Now that one there is a different month. So you go for 3rd month, then the next frame jumps up to 11th month, 5th day. See it? 16th year. And that moves along to the next day where they carry that on over to the 6th day. That's just a strange Mimic anomaly. In other words, they're editing your feed by putting in data from past years. So we suspected sometimes that that's been going on. Well, here's the proof. It zooms along, zooms along. Boom, change. You know, and they'll change that date on the top at some point, but this is a fuck up. Like I say, your data is being owned. You're being dictated to. You're being oppressed. You're having your data owned. You know, we know what year it is right now. Why is this on the live Mimic feed? And then they jump months. 11th month, excuse me. 3rd month, 11th month. You know, this is just blatant altering of your feed. What kind of glitch is that? That glitch is called the El Rothschild effect. See it? Can't deny it. See it? Big love, peace.